Welcome back to Sudden Hobby Farm.
Welcome. Hello.
We have colds.
Yes.
It's not the Rona, I promise.
Yes. It's not the Rona.
It's still not fun though.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're sitting in front of our lovely creation.
Lovely pumpkin creation.
Lovely archway creation.
And this is our annoying cat.
What
It's
did
a
we...
little cat here.
Yes, it is. What did we plant here?
Different kinds of pumpkins.
And gourds.
Gourds. Yes.
Yes. We planted them a few days ago, so they definitely haven't sprouted yet.
Yeah.
But
Gosh, what are you
we did record
doing?
putting it all together, so I will start to show you that now. Basically, I went to the local farm store, which is Roll King, and let's see, what was it? Cattle panel. That's what it was called. Hey, excuse me. And it was, I think, 16? No. Maybe, yeah, I think it was a 16 footer. 4 by 16. And it was $22, I think, which is super cheap. But the problem was, all it had was a truck. Obviously, that's only like an 8-foot bed. So that wasn't gonna fly going down the road.
It would fly.
It would have flew into someone's windshield. So I had them cut it in half, and then I just basically pieced it back together when we got home.
Hey, what's your favorite color? Black. Why is it black?
Because I don't like colors. What's your favorite color? You don't have one either, do you?
I don't know. They're all cool in their own way.
Okay. So they're all your favorite color.
Maybe periwinkle.
You're such a goofball. Then I cut another section off of it so that there would be... You are such a lazy cat. I cut one of the other ends off so that it would have kind of like spikes to go in the ground to hold it in the ground before I put some stakes in it, and that was about it. Wasn't much to it. So super cheap, and now we've got somewhere for the pumpkins and gourds to grow. Hopefully they grow like they did last year.
I made a bed for your phone.
Oh, thank you.
Out of grass.
Thank you so much.
Out of freshly mowed grass, because
Yeah.
Dad is mowing right
You know we're gonna have chiggers on our butts, right?
now. Yeah, probably.
That'll be fun.
Hello, you guys.
Anywho, that's what we did. Exciting, right?
Yeah, very excited.
We've been doing a lot of things. We should probably catch up.
Yeah, because we have a garden, and we've been
It's a very
planting lot
crappy
of
garden. The garden has failed this year.
stuff. The strawberries are delicious.
Yeah, the strawberries are doing good.
Yeah.
You know why?
There's
Because I didn't have to plant them. They just came back from last year.
yeah.
Somehow. It's been an absolutely insane spring because kidding season and, you know, everything being born.
Baby!
Babies kind of drained us. And not to mention, this is like start of crazy busy season as far as my dog business goes.
We have
So
20-something goats now.
we have 21 goats.
And I'm on summer break. Yesterday was my last day of school.
Yes, that's right. Oh, we put together a fire pit.
Yes. And we ate hot dogs and s'mores with it.
It's not the prettiest fire pit,
I
But it-
actually don't care. I still get s'mores and hot dogs. So.
but it's
Tiny, no, that's
Yes,
Red
Mama.
Mama.
We put together the fire pit, and it's not beautiful because mostly I ran out. You're scratching me.
Yeah, I don't really care because I still get s'mores and hot dogs, and they taste delicious, so yeah.
I ran out of pavers, so it doesn't look the greatest around it, but it works. It's functional. Oh, Miranda. Let's talk about ponies.
Yes.
Let's talk about it.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be talking. Okay. So, first thing, Molly is not what we thought she was. We were good with her when we were at the owner's house, but now she's being mean. So I decided.
I think she's just being a pony.
So I decided that I'm selling her.
Yeah, I don't think we're keeping Molly.
Yeah.
I think we're goat people,
And plus,
not horse people.
We don't have the responsibility to have a horse.
No, I would put forth the effort if you were interested. Tell them how many times you rode her.
Twice.
She rode her one full time with the saddle on.
No, 2 full times. Because I was at their house.
That doesn't count. I mean,
I rode her.
Here.
Then once.
Yes, she's rode her one time.
But I've
She sat on her multiple times. But actually taking a ride,
no.
It's not happening. So if you were more interested, then yes, we would definitely try really hard to keep her. But I don't have the time to give.
So we're gonna give her to
hopefully a family member is interested in taking her. That way we can still see her and know that she's having a good life. I am not afraid to admit that I don't know anything about horses. But I was definitely willing to learn.
Mom, look, it's a real bully.
If the circumstances were different.
We have our little shed that we're giving to one of our friends.
Oh, right. Cody and Stephanie are
Yes.
bringing the grain bin, silo, whatever you want to call that thing.
Is silent.
That round thing over there.
Yeah,
They're taking that down and taking it to their house.
Yeah.
They bought it. They're not just like stealing it.
Yeah.
They wouldn't steal it.
You're gonna bite my hand off!
That's just what this chubby butt needs. More grass.
Oh, little baby!
I think we've caught them up on most of the things that are going on around here.
I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe, and I was about to say leave a comment.
They can leave a comment. That
Uh,
is perfectly acceptable. It's actually good to leave
but
comments.
you have to leave a good one.
They don't have to. You can say you hated it. It doesn't hurt my feelings.
Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you want to. What? This is not working. Okay.
Anytime now.
I hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And good and like.
Your hair's attacking me.
And bye-bye.